We're building the Zephyr rocket kit, which is a skill level 3 rocket from Apogee components, but it's meant for certification level 1, and that means this is built for H motors and I motors. So if you're looking to get a high power certification, this is going to be a great kit. So where we left off the last time, I had finished sanding the outside edge and the inside edge so that this goes on nice and easy onto the tube. Our next step is to attach the shock cord, because once this is glued inside the big tube, which is right here, it's going to be very difficult to get to that eye bolt right there. So this is where we tie it on. And use your favorite knot. My favorite knot is a slip knot. Other people don't like them, but I do. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. Something's not right here. It seems to be slipping on me. So I usually take this part right here and I tape it down so that it stays out of the way and it protects it a little bit from the heat of the ejection charge. Oops. Throw some more tape on there. Doesn't hurt to have extra tape. This is going to be inside the rocket, so nobody's going to see it. So you can make it as messy as you want, like me. And I also like to extend the tape up a little bit to provide a little bit of extra protection to the shock cord right there. So I'm going to do that a little bit different. Instead of wrapping it around, I'll just lay it in there and wrap it around like that, and I'll use 2 pieces. This is just extra protection for the heat from the ejection charge. And all this is going to be inside the tube too, so it can be a little bit stiff. That's fine. So it's going to be nice and strong. So now this is going to get in the way, but what we're going to be doing is to slide this into the tube. But I want to show you what's going to happen here. Once we get it into the tube, we're going to put that ring back on. Oops. Rotate it around. Remember, those slots are important. And we're going to it's going to go right between there. And then we're going to drop the fins in. And we're going to do all 3 fins. They're going to be in the slots like this. And then we're going to glue the fins in, and then we're going to remove this. And so once the fins are glued in or tacked in, the engine mount tube will be centered concentrically in the tube. So we don't have to worry about it being crooked or anything, because the fins are going to be what's holding it. And then we're going to have access to the inside, so we can put epoxy fillets on everything inside to make this thing rock hard. And then finally we're going to put this ring back on, and we need to slide it over these fin tabs. Let me get this one out of the way. See this fin tab right here? It's going to go right into that slot. And we're going to be sliding it this way. So what I want to do is round off this edge right there on all the fins to make it so that I can slide it over that tab easier. So again, I'm just going to round this off. Oops, I did the wrong one there. Should have done the top one. It's all right. Okay, so that when it goes in there and that ring is off, so this will be in the tube like that, and I can slide this on. See, I got to line up this and that at the same time, and by having them rounded off, they go on a lot faster and a lot easier. And then once everything is cinched down tight, the fins are locked in there nice and tight, and whenever you have a tight joint, you have a very strong joint. So that's what we're looking to accomplish here as we build the rocket. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sand the rest of these, and then I'll be back in the next episode. If you're watching this on YouTube, down at the bottom there is a subscribe button and a comment field. The question I have for you is, why are you watching this on YouTube? Why didn't you come to the Apogee website and watch it on our website? It's the same video, but we have a lot of extra information on the page for the Zephyr kit and our other kits that I think you'll like a lot. But if you're still on YouTube, we have some videos over here off to the side that I think you'll enjoy as well.